Let's talk about a hidden power that's inside every single one of us, a kind of biological superpower that you can unlock, not in some high-tech lab, but right in your own kitchen.
I mean, really think about that for a second. What if you could actually help your body heal itself and keep everything running smoothly just by choosing a specific food? Sounds a little like science fiction, doesn't it? Well, it's way closer to science fact than you probably think. So, to get how this works, you've got to meet your body's own dedicated repair crew, your stem cells. These things are incredible. They're on call 24/7, ready to go, fixing damage wherever it pops up, from a paper cut to just, maintaining your internal organs. They're literally the foundation of how your body regenerates itself. Okay, so this repair crew is amazing. We've established that. But what if they're a little understaffed for a big job? What if you could send out a call for backup and just beef up your internal maintenance team whenever you needed to?
And this is where it gets really fascinating. It turns out certain foods can actually send a signal to your body to mobilize these stem cells, calling them out from your bone marrow where they hang out like bees from a hive, all ready for action.
The whole thing is a really simple but powerful four-step process. First, your body flags an area that needs some repair work. Second, you eat foods that have these special compounds called bioactives. They're just natural chemicals that can have a real effect on your body. These bioactives are like a signal flare. They tell your bone marrow, hey, release a flood of stem cells into the bloodstream. And finally, this newly mobilized repair crew travels right to the spot where they're needed. Which, of course, brings us to the million-dollar question. What are these recruiter foods? What can we actually eat that sends out this powerful signal? Well, the answer is probably already in your kitchen. Yep, you're seeing that right. The first recruiter is dark chocolate. And we're not talking about the sugar or the milk here. It's all about the powerful bioactives, specifically a type called flavonols that are packed into the cacao. This isn't just an excuse to eat candy. It's about using a natural compound in a super targeted way. And dark chocolate isn't alone on this list. Joining it is another powerhouse, black raspberries. These berries are also loaded with their own unique bioactives that studies have shown send the exact same call to action to your stem cells. So nature has given us more than one tool for the job, which is pretty cool.
And the impact of eating these foods, it's not small. It's not some barely measurable little blip. We are talking about a huge, visible change in your body's internal resources. So just how big of a deal is this? 2, that's the magic number here. Times 2. The studies show that eating these foods can actually double the number of circulating stem cells in your bloodstream. You are literally doubling the size of your available repair crew just a few hours after you eat. And this chart just lays it out perfectly. On the left, that's your normal baseline level of stem cells doing their thing. But on the right, just a couple of hours after you've had those bioactives, the number just skyrockets. It's a clear, dramatic increase in your body's potential to heal itself. So why should you care about having twice as many stem cells in your blood? Well, for one, it means faster repair of damaged cells. It means better, more efficient maintenance for your vital organs. And it kind of shifts the whole game from being reactive about your health to being proactive, using the incredible power of food as a type of medicine. So here's the bottom line. Your body has this profound built-in system for healing and regeneration. And the key to cranking that system up a notch might not be in a prescription bottle, but right there in your kitchen, waiting in a handful of berries or a square of dark chocolate. It really makes you wonder, doesn't it? If this is what we're finding out about just 2 foods, what other incredible health-boosting secrets are still waiting for us on our dinner plates? What other natural superpowers are just hiding in plain sight?